beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. If you have just discovered me, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below so you won't miss any of my video and be a part of my YouTube family. I made a weekly video related with fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and I am going to be a mommy soon. I can show you my little baby belly. Here you go. It's 38 weeks belly. Can you guys believe that I'm 38 weeks pregnant? And I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I got a push present from my husband. He was very sweet that he decided to buy me some gift for my pushing baby, and I haven't opened that. I got it quite a while ago. I haven't opened it, and I just want to share with you guys what I got it. I got an item from Cleef and Tiffany. So you guys already guessed that what I got it, because of course it's a jewelry, right? So I got two items from Cleef and one from Tiffany. Let's see which one I open first. Let's see. Let's do the Tiffany because I have only one item from the Tiffany. So this is from the Tiffany, and I love the packaging. I got one item from Tiffany, and let me open it. Look at this, how pretty is that. I love their packaging. Let me open it. The push present, and then I think I deserve this push present, right? So here is a box I got. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh. Tiffany knot ring. Look at how pretty is this. I love these collections. Now I'm so addicted with Tiffany. I have so many wish lists from Tiffany. Look at how pretty is this. Can you see? So pretty. So I picked the knot ring. I love these collections. I want their bracelet, I want their necklace, I want their everything. This is such a beautiful ring. Right, I chose in the yellow gold. I love yellow gold everything, and I got it 5.5. This is how it looks. I have my, let me take this, my Cartier ring. This is how it looks. This is so dainty and so beautiful. I love the little sparkly diamond. I chose a little bit bigger so it can goes like, you know, in every finger if I want to wear in the middle finger, or if I decided to wear in this finger, so I can wear in both fingers. So that's why I chose 5.5. My finger looks bigger, but some reason very small ring fits in my finger. So this is a Tiffany knot ring in yellow gold. I love like how the design and the diamond. So at first I chose rose gold, and I brought the rose gold home, and I do not have any rose gold jewelry. So I thought that maybe rose gold might be a good piece to add into my collection. But when I came home, I keep thinking about gold because I love gold, and I just went back and exchanged with gold. This is how it looks, and I am so pleased with that. Now I want their bracelet. So beautiful. I told my husband that I want that for Christmas, so let's see he will give me that for Christmas or no. But I'm so happy that this added into my collection, the Tiffany knot ring. So this is my first push present. I love having all this fine jewelry designer collections, and I am pretty happy that it added into my collection. Let's go back into Cleef. I don't know what's in this box because there's two boxes and they both look same size, so I don't know which one is which one. So but I'll just open it. It comes with this catalogs and receipt that I don't need to show you, and also they give you this travel pouch. So this is a travel pouch. Let's just open this first box. If you guys live in Dallas, they opened this beautiful boutique in Dallas, Highland Park, and it's just so beautiful. That boutique is, their customer service is awesome. That I know this guy from Dior. He moved to Cleef, and now he is a salesperson in Cleef, and I had a really amazing experience. They had a nice beautiful private room, so you can go there and like play around the jewelry. It's just a beautiful boutique. If you are in Dallas, you can just go to visit the boutique. Sometimes I just like to go to visit the boutique. I don't have to buy, you know. So here is the box, and let's see what is this. Oh, This is so beautiful, guys. I chose another ring from Van Cleef. This is a Frivole Collections. That's how you say. If I say wrong, please excuse me. This is from the Frivole Collections, and look at how pretty is this ring. I love the flower design, and it has a little diamond in the middle, and this is in gold. My husband chose this one, and I am very happy with his choice. He told me that this 3 flower is our 3 heart, me, him, and our baby. So I love that, and this is just a beautiful ring. Let me put it on. Let me take my Tiffany ring out and put it on. Look at that, how pretty is this? It's so classy and so beautiful. Let me take this out. This is how it looks. I love how simple, at the same time how pretty is this. I love that little diamond in the middle and little flowers there. So elegant and beautiful. Now I want earrings from this collection, and I was thinking to buy the Alhambra that I do have, a Van Cleef Alhambra onyx necklace. I was thinking to buy their ring, but my husband think that this is more beautiful, and onyx, that ring you can find all the time. And this also, he told me that this little 3 flowers heart is our 3 heart, like baby, me, and him. So I love it. Like, I love how he was very thoughtful but that time when we were buying it. And this is how it looks. How pretty is this? Look at this. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, I can't take my eye off from this ring. It's very pretty. Let me put this ring down here. I have too many rings going on in my fingers right now. So this is the second push present for me. And then my last one is also from Van Cleef. And let's open together. Here's the box. And oh my goodness, this is so pretty, guys. Van Cleef Vintage Alhambra Clutchy necklace. Look at this. How pretty is this? I love this necklace because this is gold, and I love gold. Not only because this is gold, because the sign in this is really beautiful. It has so much sign. It's just beautiful. I have onyx, and I want the other I like the red one. I like that pearl one too, but when I saw this one, my husband and my sales associate advised me to get this one because it is hard to find also. And look at the shine, and it's very easy to take care. The person like me does not have time, and baby is on his way anytime soon, so this is perfect for me because I don't have to take it off, and I can just take a shower with this. I can sleep with this. I don't have to. It's not very high maintenance, and it just has so beautiful shine. It's like a sunshine. It's just, this necklace remind me of the beautiful sunshine. Look at this. It's so pretty. It's all gold. I love these timeless pieces and how unique these are. This gonna be like forever my favorite. And I like that it has like 2 ring here, so you can adjust either longer or short. I did not wear my other chain because I want to show you that how does it looks. Let me put it on in the shorter length, and this is how it looks. This camera is not really doing a good justice, but it has so much shine, and this is so beautiful. Can you even see or no? I don't know, but it's just so beautiful. And this is only 1 piece left, so we decided to grab it quickly before it gone. And I feel like the ring is a little bit bigger. I did not gain that much weight, and it just feels a little bit bigger, but it's okay. It's just so pretty. Look at this. Got it. Alhambra vintage necklace, volley, this beautiful Van Cleef ring. And I love the diamond, little diamond, and then my Tiffany ring. and I'm so excited to add everything into my collections, and I'm so thankful that even he did think about me to giving this gift. I've been carrying this child for 9 months, and he told me that, like, you know, all this month my body is going through a lot of changes and I deserve it. And I was just happy, like, he's so thoughtful. Not the jewelries and everything counts. I will of course remember this for my first childbirth present, and it will always gonna be into my collections. And then one day I will tell him this story that his dad was very romantic and he bought me all this jewelry for my push present. So yes guys, that's all for today's video. If you guys like it, then make sure you do thumbs up, and also don't forget to follow me in my Instagram, Sabina K Stone. I will see you soon, and next time maybe when I make a video, baby might be here already. So okay guys, that's all for today's. Stay safe, enjoy this beautiful fall weather, and I'll see you soon. I love you.